Breaking news just coming in. Congress questions Made in India vaccine. Congress leaders Shashi Tharoor and Jairam Ramesh questioned the approval of Covaxin. In a tweet, Tharoor has said that Covaxin has not yet had phase 3 trials and called the approval premature and that could be dangerous. Jairam Ramesh says that internationally accepted protocols related to phase 3 trials are being modified for Covaxin. That's the latest coming in. Maushami joining us on the phone line. Maushami, big concerns being flagged off by the opposition leaders Jairam Ramesh and Shashi Tharoor. If you could walk our viewers through a spate of allegations that are coming in by the Congress party.
That's right, and leading the charge are two think tanks of the Congress party, Shashi Tharoor and Jairam Ramesh in their own right have been a part of the decision-making and consultation of the Congress party at various levels. But it is very important to note that the allegations that are being leveled by these Congress leaders relate to the phase 3 trial of Covaxin, where both the leaders are demanding questions from the central government. In fact, the leaders are saying that Dr. Harshvardhan should clarify why perhaps the phase 3 trials of Covaxin have been compromised and the time duration for the trials has been truncated. So big question marks being raised by the Congress party. It's all set to stir a hornet's nest because clearly the government has its priority outlined as far as the vaccine for the coronavirus is concerned, and these allegations would certainly not go down well with the BJP as well.
What is the Congress party trying to insinuate here with the fast-track approval granted to Covaxin? These are not concerns that they are raising for Covishield, but specifically for Covaxin.
See, clearly if you see what exactly the leaders are saying is that the phase 3 trials have not been approved for Covaxin. That really means that there are indirect allegations or perhaps direct ones that the government is speeding up the entire vaccine process and compromising on the health and safety of the Indian citizens by expediting a process which has its due protocols and trials. Perhaps they are saying that this entire vaccine process is premature and has been speeded up just because of the pressure of the government. And that's the reason that there are question marks.
Let me hold on for a second. Manish Tiwari of the Congress party is joining us on the phone line. Manish Tiwari, what are your concerns? The Congress party leaders putting out these tweets against the vaccine approval. For Covaxin particularly, you have Shashi Tharoor and Jairam Ramesh both questioning that this is premature perhaps, but the same is not being said for Covishield. What are your concerns at this point?
Well, the last that I checked, we still live in a democracy.
Yes.
And I think in a democracy, people are entitled to a point of view.
No. That's not what I'm saying. Manish Tiwari, you're misunderstanding me. I'm asking that you all are questioning Covaxin but not Covishield. What is different about Covaxin and what are your concerns? Genuinely want to know the answer.
Well, if you give me a chance to answer before interrupting you, before I've got a word out of my mouth, I would really appreciate it. So therefore, as I said, that we live in a democracy, and both Mr. Tharoor and Mr. Ramesh have been ministers in the government of India. They are senior parliamentarians. If they have certain concerns, I think those concerns need to be addressed. But having said that, my own view is that once the specialists, the epidemiologists, the virologists, the regulators have applied their mind and actually licensed a vaccine for emergency use or otherwise for mass proliferation, I think that should really settle the matter, because ultimately nobody should try and substitute their opinion for the opinion of somebody who's actually spent a lifetime doing this. And I think there is enough institutional integrity in our medical fraternity to be able to really distinguish between what is safe and what could perhaps be unsafe for people at large. But having said that, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I think, shares the Standing Committee of Health, if I'm not mistaken, or something analogous. And therefore, if he has a certain point of view, or if Mr. Tharoor has a certain point of view, I think they would be in the best position to really elaborate as to why they have expressed those concerns.
So this is not the official stance of the Congress party, Manish Tiwari. This is the opinion of Shashi Tharoor and Jairam Ramesh, and they have raised safety concerns. As far as the Congress party is concerned, what is your official stance when it comes to, is there a problem when it comes to the vaccine approval? We're failing to understand what is it that you all are flagging off.
As I said, the last I checked, we live in a democracy, and in a democracy, people do have the right to express an opinion on an issue which they think is germane or which they think is critical. So rather than doing this hair splitting of this is official and that is personal, or this is unofficial and that is quasi-official, this is not going to get us anywhere. There are certain concerns which have been addressed. Government would be well advised.
And I'm asking you the counter question in the spirit of the same democracy that you're talking about, Manish Tiwari, that yes, these are legitimate concerns being flagged off. Everyone is listening to them as well, which is why we brought you on the show and asking you exactly to elaborate on these concerns. But at this point, if you think that we should be asking Mr. Tharoor or Mr. Ramesh, we could do that too.
Do I detect the tone of patronage in your voice? That you are doing me a favor by letting me speak on your show?
Not at all. You were talking about the spirit of democracy. In the same spirit of democracy, I have a right to make a counter question and ask you a certain question. And I'd appreciate if you have an answer for that, Mr. Manish Tiwari.
I detected a certain amount of patronage and a certain amount of condescension in that particular question. And,
but you're not giving me a direct answer to the question, Mr. Manish Tiwari.
I've given you a direct answer, and the direct answer which you don't want to hear is that on something as critical and germane as this, if there are concerns which
just hold on, Amit Malviya of the BJP also joins us. Amit Malviya, Shashi Tharoor and Jairam Ramesh have both questioned the fast-tracking of Covaxin. There are allegations being made and questioning the approval of Covaxin. I've posed a question to Manish Tiwari to elaborate on these concerns. I don't know if you've heard Manish Tiwari's answers. He has a right to ask these questions. How would you like to respond, Amit Malviya?
First of all, the fact is that the world is facing an unprecedented crisis in COVID. World over, the vaccines that have come have been fast-tracked. Usually these vaccines take anywhere between 5, 6 to 10 years. But of course, given the urgency, most countries have collaborated together and come up with vaccines that have gone on the fast-track trial. Now, whether it is the Oxford vaccine or Bharat Biotech, they have all followed the norms and they have been approved for administration given the circumstances that we are in. The DGCI has clarified that all protocols have been taken into account and all precautionary measures have been taken. There are people who have gone on record to say that they had taken the vaccine, 2 doses of it, and they have had no extraneous influence or any other manifestation. Given this scenario, I think it is priority for us to save lives, and India has done exceedingly well in keeping the mortality rate at a very, very low level. In fact, we have done much better than developed countries like America, and United Kingdom and others.
Yes,
we should take pride in the fact that the government of India has done things proactively, and the drug controller has taken all the appropriate steps and then approved this for
what would you like
usage.
to tell Dr. Tharoor today? Because Dr. Tharoor says that Covaxin has not yet had phase 3 trials and has called the approval premature, saying that it could be dangerous.
No, I don't want to say anything to Dr. Tharoor. I would, in fact, suggest that he should join Akhilesh Yadav and stay out of this vaccine protocol. Perhaps somebody who needs it more and is willing to take will take the jab.
And I beg your pardon, to Jairam Ramesh as well, who says that internationally accepted protocols related to phase 3 trials are being modified for Covaxin.
Look, it applies to everybody in the Congress and the wider opposition who want to politicize the vaccine. They're free to join Akhilesh Yadav, and he will have some company. That is all that I have to say to these gentlemen.
All right, Amit Malviya right there joining us with that reaction.